Salam everyone, hello and welcome. This is Aya. In today's video I'm going to dry these beautiful flowers. Last time I dried it, or I used it as it is, and I put it in a resin, but this time I'm going to try a different product. They kindly sent it to me, and it's called Flower Drying Silica Gel Crystal by, this is the website, I'm gonna link it down below, and also they are on Amazon. So I'm so excited to try it out and see the differences if you're gonna dry these flower fresh on resin or you just dry it. But I think drying with silica, this is a good option, especially some people sometimes they hesitate buying flowers because they said, come on, the receiver will throw it anyway. So I think you can just dry it, even if you will not use it with resin, just try it and keep it, and maybe write the dates, put it in a jar. Yeah, so again, what we're gonna do, I bought these flowers from Costco. They were closed, so I put them in a water with the food, flower food maybe, and it's open like this because I want all these layers to be dried and shown, and it keep the same shape. So let's start by cutting the flowers. Okay, now let's open it. I have here a big window, and open it if it is freezing, so for your safety. It's a grade 8, it's reusable, and it's 5 pounds. Okay, and it's come with a booklet, I think, how to use it. Okay, I thought we keep it for a drying method. Yes, so we put it. Okay, because when I saw the oven, I thought, oh, gonna bake them, but I know we keep it for 2 to 7 days. Check for dryness. So, but there is a microwave if you're gonna use microwave direction. Okay, and this is if you're gonna reactivate the silica. I think you have to place the metal sheet and place them in 250 Fahrenheit oven. Okay, that's cool. So this is important booklet, so you have to read it. But for me, when I use microwave, I said I have old container here, and the thing I put it like long, because the flowers are long, and I want to make sure that the silica will be inside each petal. I'm sorry, that's why I opened the window so you would hear the cars. Okay. Okay. So I make a base. First of all, I would try to use these empty spaces, because I don't want to pour the silica, and it's heavy, and I'm afraid that I'm gonna break my betel. Okay, so now inside each flower, now I will take the green leaves too.
I'm going to show you a sneak peek for next time project or video tutorial. However, it will not be the same project as this one, but I'm going to take you through some what do you call it, steps that I made to make this one. This was like, let's say, first trial to make a large tray of flowers and resin. Anyway, after 7 days, the flower got dried perfectly, as you see, as if they are fresh. Oh my! So I really love this product. Then after that, I'm going to add resin in layers. I think I added five layers of resin, on 5 days. After that, while the resin in a sticky, yeah, there is a mistake happened here in the middle. One of my layer didn't cure very well. I'm not sure what was the mistake. Either I didn't stir very well, or maybe there was, a hardener more than the resin or epoxy itself. I'm not sure. Anyway, so I used this to my advantage, and I took what do you call it, gold leaves, and I started to apply. So I started to apply the gold leaf in a random, randomly, but in the sticky parts. And the funny thing was that, some of of my resin was cured. I mean, just a small part. It's not cured. You will see the part that was not cured that has the gold leaf, and the rest were cured very well. Yes, then after that, I again poured, I think the last layer, number six, to all my resin, and it turned out so beautiful. Okay, not as I expected, but I mean, uh, good enough that I learned so many things, along the way. That's why I'm going to make a different or a new tutorial. The link for the silica will be in the description box. Their customer service are amazing. I love Emma so much. The one she contacted me, she's very kind, very nice. I'm not sure if I can leave her email or not, but anyway, everything will be in the description down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. Bye!